Hello everyone. Welcome back to geography class. Last class we learnt about North America in the study of continent. We learnt about its location, political division and physical features. This time let's study about South America. Its location, political division and physical features. To the south of North America, so this region is south of North America, and attached to it by this narrow strip of land lies the continent of South America. So this continent is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent after Asia. So our continent is Asia. So this is the fourth largest continent after Asia, Africa and North America. So after this is the fourth largest. It is shaped like a carrot. So you can see here this has the shape of a carrot with a broad top. This top is very broad that tapers to a point to the south. What is meant by tapers? Reduce in the thickness towards end. So towards end we can see how it has got reduced in size. So it looks like a carrot shaped. South America is a continent of extremes. That is, here everything is large or more. It has the world's largest river, the driest desert, the largest wetland, the densest forest, and the longest mountain chain. So, what is meant by wetland? Wetland is an area where the land is covered with water. So, here in this picture, you can see how the land area is covered with water. Next is location. South America stretches north to south. So, north to south for a distance of around 7,000 km. It extends from 12 degree north to 55 degrees south latitude. So, what is latitude? Latitude extends from east to west. So, that area, imaginary line, is known as latitude. That is from north of the equator. So, this is equator. It is in the north. From here to almost this Antarctic region. So, below we can see Antarctica. Till there it extends. The equator passes through the northern part of the continent. So, here we are seeing the equator which is passing through the northern part of this continent. And the Tropic of Capricorn is here. So, where it is passing, it runs through the middle. The continent extends in an east to west. That is, here it is east and this is west. So, east to west direction for around 4,353 km from 35 degree west to 81 degree west. So, why here both or west? 35 degree west to 81 degree west. Why not east? In this globe, we can see this region is South America. So, above South America, we can see where it is lying. It is lying at the west. So, it is west. And this side, these continents lie around east. As South America is lying on the west side, we tell that South America exists from 35 degree west to 81 degree west longitude. So, longitude says it is an imaginary line which runs from north to south. We can see here 60 degree. So this 60 degree it is passing in between. 60-degree west longitude divides the continent into roughly two halves. In this globe, we can see very clearly where South America is lying. So South America is lying on the west side, and other continent, that is Africa, it is lying on the east side. And here we can see a 60 degree. So this 60 degree it is passing in between. 60-degree west longitude divides the continent into roughly two halves. South America is bounded by the Caribbean Sea. This is Caribbean Sea in the north and northwest. The Atlantic Ocean in the northeast, east and southeast. So at the south also Atlantic Ocean is present. The Pacific Ocean in the west. Here the Pacific Ocean which is lying on the west, and the Southern Ocean in the south. So this is the location of seas or oceans in this continent. Who are the neighbors of this continent? The continents neighboring it are North America to the north, Africa to the east, and Antarctica to the south. South America is joined to North America by Isthmus of Panama. So this is Panama. So this region, this isthmus, it has joined the South America with North America. While the Drake Passage, so this is Drake Passage, it is separating South America from Antarctica. We know here in this region Antarctica exists. So South America has been divided with Antarctica by this Drake Passage. Its southernmost tip is Cape Horn. The coastline of South America is smooth. What is meant by smooth coastline? So there are two types of coastline. One is irregular and other is regular or smooth. Irregular coastline are those where land is uneven. As the land is uneven, it will be having many natural harbors. But in the smooth coastline, that is regular coastline, land is even. So we can find very less or sometimes no natural harbors. It has smooth coastline but features a few fjords. What is fjords? Fjords is deep inlets of the sea into mountainous land. There are some large islands of the coast of South America. The Galapagos Island and the Juan Fernandez Islands lie in the Pacific Ocean, while the Tierra del Fuego Archipelago lies in the Southern Ocean. What is archipelago? We have learnt before. It is a group of islands. The Falkland Islands that lie in the South Atlantic Ocean are at the center of dispute between Argentina and Britain. So Argentina and Britain are having dispute for this island, that is Falkland Island, for the ownership of the island. Tierra del Fuego is an archipelago or a group of islands near the southern tip of South America. While crossing the archipelago in 1520, Ferdinand Magellan saw several large fires burning. He thus named these islands Tierra del Fuego. It is a Spanish name for land of fire. Today we know that these fires were fueled by the large deposits of natural gas and petroleum found on the island. So due to that, deposit of natural gas and petroleum that fire was caused. The earliest settlers of South America are believed to have been people from Africa or Asia who moved here around 12,500 years ago. By the end of the 15th century, European explorer had arrived in the Americas and colonized large parts of it. After struggling for more than 200 years under colonial rule, that is European rule, followed by experiments with martial rule. So martial rule, it is a temporary imposition of direct military rule. Today, most countries of South America are ruled by democratically elected governments like India. So, this is about today's topic. Learn well. See you in the next class. Thank you.